Good evening and welcome to my channel Economics Chit Chat. It's a pleasure having you again today on my channel. And today I would like to talk about a very important factor as the markets have suddenly given a break. Now, people might be worried about why there has been a dip in the market. Nevertheless, let's not worry about the dip as of right now. What is really worrying for us, or what you really need to look into it, is the factor that there are certain quality PSUs which are now creating a buy opportunity for you. Now, one among that shares which I would like to talk upon where you are going to create a buying opportunity is Canara Bank. We all know that recently the board approved for a split, that is, it's going to give 1:5 altogether. Now, that split is actually going to be a boon for many one of us. So, if you want to stay invested in a quality PSU bank, this is the right time for you to accumulate. The share had made a high of about 597 plus, and today it has come down by almost 47 rupees. In fact, this is one of the good buying opportunities for you. So whenever you find Canara Bank in dips, please take it, accumulate it, hold it for a time, because definitely the share would make a greater high. In fact, some of the brokerage houses had given a rating of 650 rupees as a long-term target altogether. Though more than going by the target, I would like to say that this particular stock has got the momentum because it has been doing a wonderful business and it has been beating the EPS estimate quarter on quarter. And with looking at Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda, all these kind of public sector union banks are providing a great opportunity, including Union Bank. I would also like to add on to this particular stock because in the long run, the momentum in terms of their business and their revenue growth cycles are fantastic. So definitely have an eye on this stock called as Canara Bank, and this is the right time for you to start accumulating this stock. Now, the next important news that we have been talking about in the market is that the merger that's going to go between Disney and Reliance Industries. Now, that's quite an awaited news, and we know that the Reliance industry is going to pump about $1.5 billion into this business. So, what does that really mean for us? Well, this is going to be a very, very long term decision that we are looking into it. So, we would not be in a position right now to say that yes, this is going to create a very big impact in the market because Disney has been staggering for some time, and with Reliance coming in and trying to put into their kind of investment altogether, yeah, there might be a chance for growth. But as of right now, let's not just take Reliance Industries stock market and believe that yes, it's going to go up because of this investment. We need to wait and see what's going to be the long-term impact. The second thing is the Vodafone idea family altogether, which is now suddenly saying that the promoter coming into picture and they're going to raise about 20,000 crores. Now today, if you have watched Vodafone shares altogether, they dipped again almost. They went to 13.6. They fell down about by 2.5 rupees altogether. Now this is actually, if you look by the analyst as well as the brokerage houses, this seems to be a negative news in the market. Why? Because it doesn't seem to be a real quick positive step or a resolution that can be made immediately. The thought process of raising this 20,000 crores and then going in for a further IPO and relaunching yourself in the market doesn't seem to be really appreciated. Why? Because this is not going to be a near-term solution nowhere unless and until these things really materialize and then it starts going up to the next level. Until then, we cannot take this as a positive news. So Vodafone would definitely be on the declining mode for some more days to come. The other share which I would also like to talk about in this video is Vedanta. Vedanta is a right kind of share which has the right mix. They are into metals for a very, very long term altogether. And recently the company also made an announcement that they're going to reduce their debt worth about $3 billion. So that's a very, very positive news. The only thing is that we are waiting for a breakout at 265 plus. And once you start seeing that Vedanta is trying to make a breakout touching about 270, 280 plus, automatically you would see that the share has the potential to go and touch 320 plus also. So I would definitely ask each one of you to have a quite close look at Vedanta and Canara Bank share, because this will definitely create a huge amount of wealth in the coming days. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being with me today on this video. I hope that you continue to invest intelligently and grow your wealth in a better way. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.